Hi everyone, I'm Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. I'll not be talking about one stock today. I'll be talking about five stocks and their charts. These five stocks are Ruchi Soya, Reliance Power, Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Capital, and Alok Industry, and there are no prizes for you to guess what is common between all these five shares. Well, these five shares are quick rich get schemes, aka penny stocks. And retail investors love penny stocks because they're sold pennies to dollar. And it seems all these retail investors will have a nightmare tonight because these retail investors have been caught in this quick rich get scheme and have been caught holding this big bag of odorous excrement. So, since music has stopped for all these five shares, let us look at their chart and see what is happening. So, let's start with Baba Ramdev's share or retail investors' most sought after share, Ruchi Soya. Ruchi Soya started at about rupees 3 about 6 months ago, and since then it has been increasing exponentially to rupees 1500 on June 26th, and since then it is making lower circuit. Alright, so as it is going down as fast as it went up, and it has been under about 1 2 3 4. So today is the fourth lower circuit that has fallen 5% today. So again, time has come for Ruchi Soya Industries, and please don't put your money in this losing stock. You 100% gonna lose your money. Second share, Reliance Power. And now Anil Ambani Group of Industries has always been catching retail investors off guard. Just so that you know, Reliance Power was trading at about 60 rupees in during 2018, and now it had an upper circuit lately. It had series of upper circuits every day. As you can see, it is increasing exponentially, and it made a upper circuit last yesterday where it reached 4 rupees 85 paisa, and today it has been hit at exactly 11:03. So note this time, 11 o'clock and 3 minutes am. It has been hit, and it went from rupees 485 to about 445, which is about a 10% drop. 485 to 445, about 10% drop. It has been hit by an upper circuit, and I don't expect this to recover. So 11:03 is when the action takes place. Let us look at Reliance Infrastructure. Reliance Infrastructure, again 5% down, lower circuit. It made a high of about 600 rupees in January 2018, and look at where it is now. It was in a continuous upper circuit for the past few days. It reached about how much? It reached about 4260. Yeah, 1 month. Every week, this past week, every day it was under upper circuit, and look at it today. Exactly at about 11 o'clock, it starts falling. In fact, about 10:50. 10:50 it made a high of rupees 44, and by 11:17 it was down 10% to 40:50. So basically it was under an upper circuit, and the upper circuit broke directly to a lower circuit. So to all of you who don't know what upper circuit and lower circuit is, upper circuit is basically when there are only buyers in the market. So people want to buy that stock, and no one's willing to sell that stock. Hence it reaches an upper circuit where basically no one is selling the stock, and people are only buying the stock. So since there are no sellers and they're just buyers, the stock reaches its height, so which is 5% circuit. So stock can't increase more than 5% a circuit, 5% a day. So this is what a penny stock is. Generally, there are limits. FNO stocks can increase as much as they want, but there are limits of 2, 5, 10, and 20. It depends on the category of the stock. So penny stocks have generally a 5% upper circuit. They can go either 5% up or 5% down. Reliance Capital, let's look at Reliance Capital. 2018, again it was around 500. There was a time it went to about 800 rupees. Yeah, it had been going up since the past month, because well, it is penny stock and retail investors are seeking after penny stocks. The past week also it had upper circuit every day, like, yeah, and today exactly at 11:03, just like our Reliance Power and just like our Reliance Infrastructure, it starts having a lower circuit. So as you note, you can see how the share jumped from 1370 to about 1435. It went on an upper circuit, 5% increase, and 11:03 the stock is being dumped and it gets into a lower circuit. So time has come for these penny stocks. And Alok Industry, the most sought after stock after Ruchi Soya and Reliance Industries, we see it came out of bankruptcy court at rupees 330 and it went to as much as 53. Look at the exponential increase. Yeah, people have multiplied their money like 20 times. That's what I say, get rich quick schemes. You don't need to get caught in get rich quick schemes. You can see how it's increasing. All right, every day 5%. Do you look at this? Says 5% every day, 5%. This is the upper circuit. Every day it was hitting upper circuit, and today it hit an upper circuit again. All right, it went from 55.75 to 58.50, and exactly at 10:46. So about 20 minutes before Reliance shares were hit, Anil Ambani group of shares were hit. It was hit and it fell down to 53 rupees. So it fell down 10%. It fell down, and it is under lower circuit now. It is at 53. It opened at 55.75, so it's on lower circuit right now. So as you can see, this is the synopsis of getting into get rich quick schemes, and this is what it can do to you. And trust me, within the coming days you'll see these five shares under lower circuit, and basically all you Robin Hood investors are trapped in the shares and you can't do anything about it. You're gonna have substantial loss, and this can be a lesson to all of you retail investors, that you shouldn't get involved in schemes that look too good to be true. So, guys, this is it. I hope you learn a lesson from these five shares and stay away from penny stocks. Look for fundamentals always. This is what I tell you. Look for fundamentals. End of story.